Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is Chest Freezer with the double lid stylings. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. This unit's entire depth is about like 36 inches. The overall height, they are almost about like 37 inches tall. For the length of the unit, it's about like 89 inches. So as we can see, the units they come in with two big handlebars at the front for each of the individual lids, and also they do have a lockers on it. Looking down the bottoms, we can see they have the water drain place from here, and also the two indicator lights, one for the powers, one for the alarm, and also they do have a temperature adjusters. Twist it, you can set it from the number 1 to number 7 to adjust it. And also when we look in the behind of the units, we do have the ETL sanitation stickers on it, and also important, units using the 110 powers only. From the manufacturers, they offer the plugs. You can see they have the standard plugs on it too. And we can take a look closer to see the inner side. So when we take a look closer, we can open the lid, and we can feel they have like a standing positions where you pull up. And also they do come in with the two baskets on each side. For this basket, it is about like 9.5 inches wide, about 26 inches long, and 8.5 inches deep. For the inner side space, it is about like 27.5 inches deep, and the length about like almost like 84 inches long, and the width is almost about like 27 1/4 inches. That will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.